technique. I have been using this long time. When I used to work in a restaurant, you see those smudges still after cleaning and rinsing it with water. Yeah, to get rid of that, all you gotta do is a newsprint or newspaper. See that now? It's very clean. Bagong ligo na si Dodong. Fresh na fresh. Si Dodong fresh na fresh na. Si Dodong fresh na fresh na.
While Patchy pulls himself together, let's see how Bob's party is shaping.
So I get my delivery now. Do you wanna know what it is, kids? I wanna see. Careful with the camera na ha. Oh, there's another box. Oh, card. You need to write something there. Then we'll send it to your Lola. Lolo. Oh, nice. What's in here?
I have no guess still.
Yay!
What's
This
that?
is it.
What is that?
This is what I ordered from Moon.
What is it?
It's a bottle cutter. I'll be trying out now for the first time, the bottle cutter that I recently purchased from noon.com. It has a straightforward instructions on how to use it and how to cut the bottle. The cutter actually is here. I don't know if you can see it, it's very small. There you go, I don't know. Focus. And it also has a sandpaper. I have bottles, empty bottles of some bubblies. So instead of throwing them, let's see what I can do with these bottles. I think of something like a candle holder. So what do you have to say? Let me work on it now, okay? Look, it's cut. Oh, shucks, I forgot. This is the first cut. And this is the final one. The one that I want. See that? I know what I can do now. Earlier I mentioned about making it as a candle holder. Yep, let's go to the next step.
3 weeks later.
And yeah, we will also use the shells that Yana has collected from Dubai Beach. She's got a lot of shells already, so I don't know why she's always collecting every time we go to the beach. What is that, Yana?
Shells.
So from here, oh, this is my blog, by the way. Sounds funny and then not so funny. You can check it if you want. It's some sort of lifestyle blog. If you have time, you can also check my blog. Again, sounds funny and then not so funny. Dubai blog, everything interesting in Dubai and beyond.
1 hour later.
So, nice to meet you. This is Mask Man. Go. I think it looks nice. What do you think of this one, of this DIY? If you want to say something, kindly leave your comment in the comment section. And if you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe if you want to see more of this. Actually, these are just two of the many bottles that I have to cut later on. And I think this will be approved by my little girl, Ivana. Right, so you can display it on your table or your office table. You can use it for your coins. How's our project? Good, you like it? We'll make more of it, okay? Yeah, I wanna see that thing that you did. Wow! That's very nice. They call it finger. There's a term for that one.
It's my own.